Go get yourself a Popeyes chicken sandwich right now. Get in your car, drive there. Oh wait, they're sold out. So Silly Dilly is gonna show you how to make a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Super easy, delicious, and Silly Dilly style. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's get it. All right, y'all, let's get it. So what we gonna do, just like our chicken parm episode, we gonna go ahead and butterfly our chicken. So grab that nice big chicken breast of yours, and we're gonna trim it, all right? So, cut off these tendons and fat caps, whatever it is, you don't want it on your chicken sandwich, y'all. And if you do, that's nasty. Oh, that's nasty, y'all. So you're gonna grab your nice sharp knife, y'all, and just go straight through the breast. Kind of hold it up, and you're gonna see it open up. And to make sure you have even fillets, you want to just guide the knife. You don't want to rush this part, because then you'll have a thicker sandwich and a thinner sandwich, and we want to make sure these are nice and even. So when we do that, check it out. Nice 2 fillets for our chicken sandwich. Throw that in the bowl, y'all. We're gonna do 12 fillets, 12 sandwiches. Popeyes, how do you run out of chicken, baby? That's all you serve. How? All right, y'all, so we got our chicken nice and butterflied. What we're gonna do, just like all of our other videos, if you haven't watched them, go watch our popcorn chicken episode, KFC bowls, chicken parm episodes. What we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna get some nice buttermilk and let this go. I'm gonna pour the whole quart inside of there. Get us some nice Tabasco sauce. This is gonna be a spicy sandwich, y'all, so we can go a little heavy on this now. I'm gonna get some garlic salt, put that on top. I'm gonna do some cayenne pepper. And these seasonings are gonna go inside of our inside of our flour as well. So we're not gonna be shy on the spice today, y'all, because it's Popeyes. So we wanna make sure this is nice and spicy. Got a bigger bowl this time, so it doesn't come out. Get your nice clean hand, and just make sure it's all nice and incorporated, because we want the spices all throughout the chicken. And we're gonna let this marinate for about, we're gonna do 45 minutes while we let some magical editing happen. We're gonna put this in the fridge and let this marinate for 45 minutes. So stay tuned, y'all. And we're gonna make us some bomb chicken sandwiches. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Y'all ready for some bomb mayo? So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do regular mayo today, baby. Cause this is Silly Dilly. And y'all know, we gotta put a twist on something. It's not good mayo, not like the Patty Metal episode where we did fresh roasted garlic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of Tabasco. We don't wanna overwhelm it. And to even out the flavor so it's not too hot, we're just gonna put about a teaspoon of this, of honey inside of this. And we're gonna get a little bit of seasoned salt. I'm gonna say about that much. That's about a tablespoon of seasoned salt. We're gonna mix that in. And this is what we're gonna put on top of our chicken and our bun and put the pickles. So if y'all look, it looks like kind of like a ranch sauce at this point. But it's not, baby. I bet y'all never had spicy honey mayo, have y'all? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this out, and we're gonna season the taste. So do a little bit more Tabasco. Mix that in. And we're gonna do 1 more teaspoon of honey. Like I said, y'all, if you don't want this, it's all right. Use regular mayo, not a big deal. But Silly Dilly, we're always extra around here. You gotta make everything taste like love, baby. So if you don't like that, then go to Popeyes, y'all, and go get you a regular sandwich. I'm gonna try that one more time. And that's perfect. Nice and spicy, but it has a sweet kick to it where it balances out. So this is gonna be amazing on some fried chicken. The chicken's in the fridge right now, marinating. It's been about 20 minutes, so we got about 25 more minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get our batter ready. So stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna get that. All right, y'all, so let's get us some nice batter over here. So what we're gonna do, if y'all, what's wrong, dude? All right, so you can't do a chicken sandwich without the breading. So what we're gonna do, just like our chicken parm episode, we're gonna get us some seasoned flour going. Gonna grab us some garlic salt. Make sure it's nice and seasoned, y'all, because think about it. Flour is not the best tasting thing, it's just very bland. So we wanna make sure we bring it to life. Some seasoned salt, baby. Some pepper. Make sure that's nice and peppery, y'all. I like freshly cracked pepper. You can use something that's quicker, but take a little bit extra time, but it's okay. We're gonna get some chili powder. And this is where we wanna be generous, so I'm gonna take this part off. Do about 2 tablespoons of that. Then we're gonna get some cayenne pepper. Same thing. Take the top of that. Throw that in there. And this is gonna be some nice seasoned flour, y'all. So grab you your fork and just whisk it in. You wanna make sure it's nice and incorporated so you don't get a bite of just too much cayenne pepper. You wanna make sure it's nice and well coated. So it's okay to even shake it together. You'll see your flour turn a little bit brown just due to the amount of seasoning that you put. Ooh, that hurt my ears, baby. Whoever has headphones on, RIP, I'm so sorry for y'all. I'm so sorry. We'll never do it again, baby. Next, give us some eggs. We're gonna go ahead and do, for 12 breasts, we're gonna do about 4 eggs. There's a shell in there, but check this out, y'all. Silly dilly tip. Grab you the same shell, and you're just gonna wanna go, because it'll stick to the shell. So you go ahead and grab the shell, half a shell, and look, it goes right back in there. So put that in there. There's one more piece. So we're gonna grab the other piece and use the other side of the shell. Check that out. I do use one hand because you gotta be quick in the kitchen, but it's all right. If you guys can't use one hand, not a big deal. So like I said, 4 eggs, crack those in, grab the same fork. Nice and incorporated. If you guys gotta do more, you start running out of egg, not a big deal. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our panko. We're gonna go ahead and use a whole bag of panko. Open that up, let that go in. Panko will change your life, baby. I told you this. Go watch the chicken parm episode. You'll see how amazing that came out. So just like the flour, because this is our last part of the batter, we're gonna wanna make sure this is nice and seasoned. Seasoned salt, chili powder, cayenne powder. So if you guys don't want a spicy chicken sandwich, leave this step out. Not a big deal. Do some pepper and garlic salt. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab me another whisk because that spoon's dirty. I don't wanna get some egg yolk in there right now. It'll get contaminated anyway, but it's not a big deal. Mix that all in. Check it out, y'all. Easy, simple batter mix. Seasoned flour, eggs, and then your panko. So when you put the chicken inside of our flour, it'll go ahead and stick to it nice and easy because of that buttermilk, baby. So another 5 minutes, I'm gonna take the chicken out of the fridge and we're gonna start to batter this up so we can fry, baby. So stay tuned. All right, so get your nice butterfly chicken and check it out, y'all. We drained out the buttermilk, but it's still on the breast, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our chicken nice and battered up in the flour. This is seasoned flour, y'all, so you're gonna wanna shake off any excess. Put that in the egg mixture now. 2 times around, make sure it's nice and evenly coated. Pick it up, y'all, because this is where it gets sticky, y'all. Take that like that. Throw it in our panko seasoned breadcrumbs. Check that out, y'all. Tell me that don't look delicious. Popeyes, what? Sorry, y'all, they sold out for the next 7 years. So you better learn how to make it yourself. Check it out, y'all. 2 beautiful fillets, nice and done, ready for that hot peanut oil. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna finish this out, and we're gonna be frying. We're frying up some chicken. All right, y'all. So we got our peanut oil nice and hot, chicken nice and battered up. Check that out. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our hot oil. I'm gonna do a couple fillets. It's all right, y'all. Fresh chicken breast. It's gonna have some weird appendages going on, but it's okay, baby. It's okay. As long as it tastes good, it's all that matters. We'll do 3 breasts at a time. And we gotta make sure this is nice and submerged, y'all, because no raw chicken breast, baby. No raw chicken breast. So get you some tongs and make sure it is nice and even on the bottom and the grease is hitting all of that chicken. So yeah. We're gonna let it go 2 minutes aside. So it's nice and crunchy and crispy, baby. So stay tuned and let's get it. All right, y'all, so we got our chicken nice and fried. What we're gonna do, get your brioche buns. Grab us some butter. Nice coverage on a nice flat pan. Just like that. Throw down your buns. Yes, and we're gonna let this toast, all right? We're going extra today, y'all. I'm pretty sure Popeyes doesn't toast their buns. And they messing up, y'all. They messing up because today we going fancy, silly dilly style, and y'all gonna thank me later when you take a bite of the sandwich. So stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna let this toast up. This should take about 1.5 minutes. We're gonna build our sandwich. So best part of the video, let's get it. All right, y'all, so we got our buns nice and toasted. Grab your chicken. I'm gonna get some of this mayo, and we're gonna do the bottom of this. Don't be cheap on the sauce, y'all. Don't be cheap on the sauce. All right, I'm gonna put that on top. And then again, I'm gonna grab this sauce. Just drizzle that on top. One more spoonful of that. Make sure it's nice coverage. Grab us some nice, freshly sliced pickles. So don't be skimpy on the pickles, y'all. If you don't like pickles, then sandwich ain't for you, baby. Grab our nice toasted bun, and we're gonna put that on top, y'all. Check that out. Look at that. Popeyes, where you at, baby? Where you at? Tell me, y'all, that don't look like the best damn sandwich you've ever seen in your life. It's time to eat. All right, y'all, check it out. Our sandwich is complete. Popeye's sandwich consists of brioche bun, fried chicken, mayo, and pickles. What we did today, y'all, is we made some spicy fried chicken and buttermilk, got some honey Tabasco mayo, some nice pickles, and we did some toasted brioche bun. Go make it, y'all. Don't waste your time driving to Popeyes because they're gonna turn you away. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, so stay tuned. The mayo, y'all, it literally balances out this sandwich. Look at the cross section right there. The mayo literally makes the heat of it, it evens it out with that honey. So pickles, can't go wrong with pickles, y'all. And you can't go wrong with Silly Dilly. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let me know what you want me to make you next, baby. I can't even talk because this is so bomb, y'all. Stay tuned. We got you on the next episode. Thank you all for watching. It means a lot. Signing off. Silly Dilly. Let's get it.